we both don't mind the way that we look, women will look at us the exact same.
We didn't say the exact same. We said
yes, you did.
No, we did not. When do we say the exact same?
So clarify right now and tell me that I would be more attractive to most women. Clarify that.
Listen, the women who like how you look.
Yes or no? Clarify that.
I'm trying to clarify it to you, Marcus. Listen, the women who like the way you look are going to gravitate to you. The women who like the way the other guy looks is going to gravitate to him. Is that hard to understand?